What's up, Demystify Nation? It's Pat, back for another week of AI tips for Trailblaze. This week, we're going to show you how we edit these videos using Pictory.ai. So I actually just filmed a separate video, which was a demonstration of me using Julius.ai, which is a data analysis platform that's AI powered. It went okay. I didn't have too much familiarity with the system, so I try to treat it as, hey, I just went into this just like any user would. We tried to do some time forecast, some data forecasting based on some website data. Didn't really go as planned, and I ran out of free tokens. So I'm a little disappointed in the video, but I thought, why don't we show you guys how we actually edit these and put them together? So I'm going to share my screen. We use a system called Pictory.ai. It's really nice to be able to edit our videos. It's got a lot of built-in features that help us, again, be efficient with posting these types of things. I do have previous video editing experience, kind of pre-AI days, way back 10, 15 years ago. It's always been somewhat simple. I was a big iMovie fan back in the day, but Pictory makes video editing much, much easier. So when you log into Pictory, we do have a paid account. I don't believe they offer a free account, but when you do log in, you've got a bunch of different options. And what we're going to focus on today is the AI video editor. So we will upload my video that we just made. Go into my Zoom files here. There we go. We'll hit proceed. Video uploads pretty quick. This is a pretty fast system. And we'll let them know later what I think. Obviously, we enjoy this tool, so we would recommend it, but we'll fill out the form later. All right, transcription complete. Look at this guy. Great shirt. It's going to be weird looking at ourselves. So when we upload our video, we have our video here, and then you've got your entire transcript. One of the features I really like, and sometimes how we film, if you need to edit or pause something in the video and you want to take those things out, I know there's a lot of probably dead time in these videos, and if you guys are watching, you can see it skip ahead. That's just frankly in silence. We'll sit there in silence sometimes just while things upload to a system or we're waiting for a prompt to render. One of the nice things, you can remove all the silences quite quickly. So if you'll see down here, my 17-minute and 52-second video, let's go down to more than 1 second. All of a sudden, there was a lot of silence in that last video. I typically remove filler words as well. And then I don't really like subtitles. I think it's a distraction on the video. And if we really want those in, we can do that in YouTube. So from here, what we do is just kind of go through, I just filmed this, so I'm pretty familiar with it. I'm using my trackpad this week, but let's go through and just kind of delete some of the text that just doesn't make sense. Like, you guys don't need to see me sitting here like mumbling before we start the video or talking to myself or getting psyched up or anything like that. And then kind of what I can do here is just go through and quickly look. Let's see how the video looks here. Just a video today. I truly just logged into Julius.ai just about 10 minutes before the video and kind of took a quick swing through their interface. All right, not too bad. I hate how my voice sounds, but I've heard a lot of people do. So kind of looking through it, really removed all the pauses. Now, we normally take a bit more time to go through the scripts, add some things that are fun, and then it looks like it has me as a second speaker in here. I must have coughed or cleared my throat or something there. But ultimately, this looks pretty clean. So just for demonstration's sake, let's kind of keep going. So the next thing we need to do is kind of add in our title cards and end cards. And again, we keep this pretty simple, working on some new designs and some fancier stuff to add to these videos just to splice them up a bit. But this is kind of one of the nice things. And so just for reference's sake, in olden days, if you will, kind of pre-AI, before these types of things happened, I would have had to upload this video into iMovie, cut it up manually. There's no automation around removing pauses or being able to see your full transcript. So this is a huge thing to be able to read the transcript right next to your actual video. So here, this is kind of where we add our front and title cards. And again, there's so much more you can do with this, but just for simplicity's sake, if you're looking for just something easy to make short videos for your company, we got our Demystify little video here. And then what we'll do is we'll add in we got our title card for AI tips for Trailblazer. And then I'm going to scroll all the way out of frame here. Hold on. Now we'll scroll screwing up my menu here. All right, we'll scroll all the way to the end. We don't need to look at the scenes. Go to our final scene, and we want to add, and again, these are all just obviously, title cards we've pre-made. We have some other ones that we're working through in here. But we'll add our subscribe for more AI tips. And then after that, all you really got to do is just hit download. It'll process all your scenes, generate your video, and then you can easily download it. It doesn't take very long, and it'll give us a nice, what it'll output to is your video. It'll give you a transcript in 3 different formats, and that'll also output a standalone audio file. Okay, now it's all done. It took a little bit longer than usual, but why don't we go check it out? I can show you all the outputs in the project section. So here is the project files. So we got our video here, audio file only, and then you've got 3 different text files, an SRT file, which I don't know what that is. I don't know what a VTT file is either. A .txt file is just a plain text file. So we can kind of download any of these. I'm going to download the text file, and then we will download the whole project file as well. And that's it. After that, we upload to YouTube, and that's all she wrote. Tune in next week. We'll be back. More videos about AI. Have a great weekend.